Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you're all good and doing well in your lives. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply on a job, how to properly fill an application form, and what to expect in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my screen and fill out an application form with you guys so that you know what questions are asked and what is the proper way to do it. But before that, if you haven't seen my previous video, in which I discussed about how to get a job in UK, where I shared my journey, and there was some important information in that, as well as there are some useful advice and tips there as well. So do check out. The link is in the description. So let's get started with this one. So here's the screen. So now I'm going to search GradCracker on Google. As you can see, this is the first link that will pop up. So it says GradCracker career for STEM students. So I'm going to click on it. I've already logged in, so it is showing me showing my account as of now. So I'm going to log out just to let you guys know how to make account on this. So if you go here, log in or register, if you have already have an account, it will be showing like this. Otherwise, you need to go and press on register here and populate it with all your details, and then you'll be good to go. So I'll be logging it in with my existing account. Let me show you a bit of the things that you can do with it. So there are degree apprenticeships as well, placements and internship as well, graduate jobs, company hubs, and few others options that you can go through. So first will be, since this video is about the graduate job, so I'm going to click on it. As you can see, there are a lot of disciplines regarding the jobs, like aerospace, chemical, computing, civil, and all of the stuff is there. So there are, as of now, for all the disciplines, there are 10,487 graduate jobs. As I've mentioned in my previous video, that September, October, November, especially October and November, are the very busy months regarding job openings. So this is the proof of that. This is only one website, but by far it is the best one that I've found. So even if you're interested in some employer, so you can hunt by employer as well. Base System, BDO, Bank of America, Capital One, Engineering Safety, Exxon Mobil. There are a bunch of bundles of employers are there who are giving the job. Even if you have a specific choice about the location or region or city, you can select here as well. As it says that Republic of Ireland 56 means that there are 56 jobs that are present in this location. Similarly, 144 jobs are present on Northern Ireland, and rest like 862 in London and South East. So this is quite helpful in filtering out your desired job location, your desired employer. And obviously, if you have no preference regarding employer or job location, so just go back, hide it, just to keep things easier and tidy. So just select whatever discipline you're in. I'm an electrical engineer, so I'm going to select electronic or electrical. Just select it. It will filter out all the electrical jobs. And the good thing is, inside the electrical there are sub-disciplines as well. C&I, electrical engineering, electronic engineering, blah blah blah. So you can see that electrical engineering has 1046, electronic engineering has same number of jobs available. There are energy renewables and things like that. So I'm going to keep it as generic. As you can see, there is a company called Amy who has a graduate role of graduate electrical and electronic engineer, highways, electrical electronics. It says that whatever degree it needs. You can see the salary, location, degree required, starting date, and deadline. Sometimes it is ongoing, and sometimes I'm sure I can show you an example where it specifically states the deadline. Like this one, December 17th, 2024. Similarly, there are a lot of other jobs. So I will go through different job advertisements, and I'm going to select the one that has some, that has a long application, that has some questions to that needs to be answered. So I'll show you how to answer those questions and how to use AI to your advantage. So let me select an option. So I like this. I know this company is quite big. It's offering not very much, but it's all right. 32,000 salary, 2,000 joining bonus. So I'm going to go for it. Right click it and open link in the new tab. It will open a new tab of a Career Tracker. As you can see, it is a complete details of the job description. So if you scroll down, there is an apply online now. So what I like about Career Tracker is if you apply, if you click on online now, it will take you to directly to the company's website. Now it is a good thing to directly apply on the company's website. So Career Tracker has all the jobs. You just click on it and it will directly take you to it. So just right click on it. It is a KBR Careers, and it is using the Workday platform. Workday platform is a job application platform. A lot of company uses that. Once you starts to apply, you'll see that okay, this company is using Workday, this company. So, and it will be easier to fill out the all others application forms. So as you can see, again, there is a complete job description details. So what I tend to do is, what I think it is a really good practice, and it definitely helped me. So what I do is I just copy it and save it in a document folder, in a Word file. So why I'm saying this, because first do this and save it on your laptop and PC, and it will definitely be helpful if your CV is shortlisted and you are because some companies do take the telephonic interview, in which they can ask you about the job description, if you know about the company and what they are expecting from you. So this job description will definitely come in extremely handy, so go do it. So let's go back to the the website. So I'm going to click on apply. It gives you a lot of applications, a lot of options like autofill with resume, apply manually, use my last application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say apply manually. Now it will ask you to create a sign in. Obviously we don't have an account, so I'm going to say create an account. I'm going to put in my details. Select this and just password does not match. Now it's all done. You can save it on the Google passwords, or it's up to you. So how did you hear about us? You're going to select, I mean, it doesn't really matter, whatever you select, that's fine. Have you ever worked for KBR, any of its division, affiliates, or subsidiaries? Now obviously countries automatically select. I mean, you can change that as well. So legal name, whatever your details are, just put in it. Your phone number, save and continue. So now it asks you about the work experience. So I have few work experience, so I'm going to put in one of them. So let's say assistant manager, company was K Electric, location was Karachi, Pakistan. I do not currently work here, so I started working in 2019 July till 2022 January. So now you need to put the job role description. So I had my CV. So what I will going to do is I'm going to go copy and paste whatever I put in my CV. So I've copy and pasted it. That's it. If you want to add another, you can add that by just clicking on it, and you can add your second experience. Otherwise, just delete it. Academic experience. So obviously you need to add your all the degrees if you have masters or if you have bachelors. So I'm going to put in only masters. Degree was masters. If you search it here, field of study was electrical. It's if you want to add another, you can. You can add languages, whatever you want, and you can add your skills, like say problem solving. Okay, you can select yes, human problem solving, teamwork, and you can add bunch of it as much as you want. So that's done. Then go to CV, upload your CV. If you have any website, you can add the link. If you have a social network URLs like LinkedIn, I suggest that you should do that. So how can you can add your LinkedIn? Just go to your LinkedIn profile, go to me section, and just copy and paste this. Copy it, and paste it here. That's done. Save and continue. You have any relevant relatives currently working? Obviously no. If it's yes, then you have to disclose it. Otherwise it will definitely not good for you if you even if you have if you got a chance to progress further. So that's done. Are you authorized to work in the UK without restriction? Whatever your circumstances is, just put it properly. Will you now and in the future require some sponsorship? Yes. What is your highest level of education? Mine is masters. Are you currently in full-time study? No. Which university did you attend? T-site. So you'll put whichever university you went to. Are you in a commutable distance from Leatherhead? No. Depends upon your situation. If no, then obviously you will be willing to relocate. So yes. So now comes this question. People get put off by this because what should I write it? It's not a problem anymore because it's an AI era. You have a lot of AI websites like ChatGPT, Claude, Bard. There are a bunch of them available online, but I think the best one is the ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, what my experience is extremely good in answering or giving you the answers to questions like these one. What attracted you? What motivated you? Or there are some other competency based questions as well, like tell us a time when you perform in a team, when you develop some things like that. So if it wasn't for AI, I must have been put off by this as well. So the best thing is to don't get put off of this. It is extremely easy to answer these questions, and I'll show you exactly how. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it first. Going to the new tab, open ChatGPT here. So if you do this like this one, the ChatGPT doesn't know what KBR is. I mean, it can dig up its data set and can give you a generic answer, but it is better to copy and paste your job description here. So this is one of the reasons that I told you to save your job description. So go back there, just copy it and paste it here. So now I'm going to say to the ChatGPT that keeping in view the above JD, please answer the following. In paragraphs, no more than 300 words. Try to be more specific. Just hit enter, and there you go. It will give you the best possible answers. Even sometimes you don't need to read through the job description. So the graduate electrical engineer role at KBR is highly appealing because it offers an exceptional opportunity to contribute to impactful projects at the forefront of the energy transition. The chance to work on sustainable engineering solutions, including electrical systems for facilities focused on plastic recycling, hydrogen production, and renewable energy, aligns with my career aspirations to support a more sustainable, energy efficient future. I'm excited by the prospect of contributing to the projects that address global challenges like climate change and energy security, which are critical issues in today's world. So KBR emphasis on a structured 2-year graduate program supported by mentorship from industry experts provide an excellent environment for developing my technical skills and advancing my career. The program's diverse rotations across various projects and departments would broaden my knowledge and expose me to different facets of electrical engineering, enhancing my versatility as an engineer. I'm particularly drawn to the opportunity to work on complex projects ranging from 1 megawatt to 500 megawatt, allowing me to gain hands-on experience in high-impact projects with global significance. I mean, that's a very good answer, and it shows that you read the job descriptions, as I'm sure ChatGPT has taken these values from the job description, definitely. And moreover, KBR's global presence and potential for international exposure highly motivating. The possibility of working in different locations such as Baku and Chennai would allow me to gain cross cultural experience and adapt to various engineering environments. So yeah, that's a pretty much good answer. So just copy it and paste here. Make sure you indent it properly. But I think it's a bit a long answer, so you can always tweak that. You should, in fact, I suggest you guys do that. That whatever ChatGPT gives you, doesn't just copy and paste it blindly. Read through it, because there are things that you can avoid, you can delete, and you can add to make it more natural. Okay, so that's done. Save and continue. It will ask you your personal preference. I mean your gender, race, and that's it. You have clicked save and continue, and just review your all the information that we provided. If it's all good, just press submit. And that's it, your application is submitted. Congratulations on your first application. Just see, if it only took me like 10 to 20 minutes, because I know what to do, I know what to expect. So that this is the reason for these kind of videos, to help you guys, because I have went through this stringent process of researching and trying different techniques, different tricks to fasten the process. So I've learned it the hard way. So I want you guys to learn from my experience and get a head start. So I hope this video was extremely useful for you guys. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for these kind of useful videos. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.